now 12:40 and we are starting this 8-mile hike extremely late. But here goes nothing. So there are a lot of noises on this trail. We feel like we're getting surrounded or preyed on, probably by squirrels, but whatever. Alright, we're approaching one of the first shelters for the Appalachian trail hikers. Wonder if anybody's gonna be there. Probably not, because it's the middle of the day, so I'm assuming they got on their way already. But let's see. Alright, so we're an hour in. I think we're about halfway, probably maybe a little bit more, because it's kind of a nice balance on the trail. You got a little bit of strenuousness, that's a word, and then flattens out for a bit, gives you a little break, and then back uphill you go. Let's keep going. We're a little, might be a little lost. Remember the other trail was like a little off too. I think it's that way.
You think it would say something. No, that doesn't look like a trail, because look, it continues that way.
Sure. Oh wait. Where did we come from?
There?
No, we didn't come from here?
No.
Oh, there? So you want to go down this road back here?
See, this doesn't look very traffic.
You're right. Alright, let's go this way. We'll figure it out, I guess. Okay, so we just made it to this point. And there's this sign. Which means over there, but it looks closed off. To trail overlook. This is it. Follow white blazes on trees till near the overlook. 1.3 miles. This is it. They make it sound like it's right down the street. So that's blocked off, but the trail goes this way. This last part here is definitely the most strenuous. We're dying. Definitely the worst part. Holy sh! We finally made it.
Girl Scout cookies is in the aisle.
Soaking up the sun. We're sweaty. We can't see. Back down we go. Feet hurt so bad. I don't know why we do things like this to ourselves, but we made it. Mcafee Knob, check.